So we're down here at the Dollar General Tuesday, and man, it's been a nightmare here because we've got the freaking, I went ahead and took lunch, and then the electric guys moved in and took my spot. There's nothing I can do. They completely took my spot where I had all my dirt piled up. The dump truck guy was out here, he left. The parking lot guys were here cleaning the parking lot, power washing. It's just a huge mess. There's just, you know, people working over top of each other and everything, and it's just a real nightmare. And that's the problem when you get behind, then you got to try to get everyone all doing the same thing all at the same time, and that makes a huge problem. I had a heck of a time trying to grade out all that stuff over there because the guys washing the parking lot were just washing all the dirt and blowing it my way, plus all the drainage. They're using a 2-inch fire hose, so it's just a mess. So let's go take a look here.